What is up today, guys? It's a fine Saturday morning here in Arizona. It's actually really beautiful out. I am getting ready. I'm gonna go wash my truck. Ashley's mom's and her aunt is coming today to stay with us for a week. So we're gonna pick them up in the truck later because they're bringing some extra suitcases so we can go, or they can go to, I'm not going, but they're gonna go to Goodwill. Her aunt loves going to Goodwill and going to find vintage stuff. Right now, I'm gonna unhook this trailer. I've got this chassis that I picked up from a customer, Chris Cretus. He's got a 59 GMC truck that is being worked on over at Tray 5 Customs. He's got a full chassis from us, so I went ahead and bought this chassis from him. This was running and driving, so I don't really know what we're gonna do with it yet, but we're gonna unhook the trailer so we can take the truck and go wash the truck. It's a little bit dirty, so let's go ahead and get this trailer unhooked and then we'll head to the car wash. All right, so we got that trailer unhooked. We're heading to the car wash. Sometimes I like to wash my cars or my trucks and stuff like that at home, but today's not one of those days. I don't have much time to get the whole pressure washer out and do the whole thing. So we're gonna give this thing a quick little wash at the car wash, vacuum the carpets and stuff like that. Ashley's out getting her eyelashes done. I think she wants to try to get her nails done if she has time before we pick her aunt and her mom up at the airport. They get in about 3 o'clock, I think. So if I get this done real quick, then I can get out in the garage, work on the truck for a little bit. As you saw from the last video, we kind of finished up cutting the holes in the that kind of valance, that cowl for the actual hood hinge arm. So we're gonna be able to get the hood hinge arm on there, and then I'm going to be able to set the hood on there. What I'm probably going to do is, I think I can get from underneath, I'm going to set the hood on there, put the brackets on, get everything lined up and kind of situated, and then I can probably tack those brackets in place and then actually see that the hood will go up and down pretty easily. So that's kind of what my plan for attack is today. Like I said, it's a beautiful day. It's about 100 degrees out, but it's still pretty nice. It's not humid, so it's pretty nice outside. So let's get this truck washed, and then we'll get back to some working on the truck and video that, and then finish off this day with getting her mom and her aunt picked up, and then we'll probably end up hanging out with them tonight. So we'll probably be working in the garage again tomorrow. We got, I think it's about 2.5 weeks before we have to go to Utah, so we'll have about a week in between, and then Arnie and his wife and his daughter are going to be here. They're driving down from Tennessee. They're going to stay for a couple of days, and then we'll head up to Utah. So we're going to get this truck washed, and then we'll be back in a little bit. I don't know about you guys, but for me, it seems like if I wash my truck, change my oil, do any of that stuff, it just drives and rides and runs just a little bit better. So I'm excited about that. I gotta kind of clean the windows when I get home with some, I use the spray away foaming stuff. You know, that stuff works really well. I like it on a microfiber towel. Oh, just can't beat it. Your window seems so clean and fresh when you do that. I'm gonna get a little bit of lunch also when I get home. Ashley's finished up. Of course, you can imagine that she called me and her mom and aunt's flight got delayed. I think that that's pretty much standard operating procedure these days, is that flights are just delayed. So they're now getting in at 5 o'clock, so we have a little bit more time. I'm glad that I got after it this morning and got this truck washed and cleaned up, because that'll give us just a little bit more time in the shop, just a teeny bit more time, so we'll be able to get that hood installed. I think we should be able to have that done today. I mean, everything always takes a little bit longer than what you're expecting, but I think we should be able to see that hood go up and down today. If I can see that, that'll make me happy. So I'm gonna head back to the house. I'll get at you in just a little bit once we get that done and get some lunch in me, and then we'll get out into the shop. All right, so I just finished up lunch, guys. I'm gonna go out into the garage and work on the truck. Should be able to get the hood hopefully installed. Ashley was getting her lashes done. I think she went to go get her nails done. Hopefully she can come back so she can help me lift the hood up here, but I think that what I need to do is I need to turn the truck around because I have to tack these brackets to the hood. My welding plug is at the back of the shop. I don't have an extension cord right now to be able to bring the welder all the way to the front. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this truck around, make it easier to work on it. The back of the shop. I think what I can do, because I'll be able to have access underneath the fenders, is jack the truck up to be able to tack the hood onto the brackets and get to everything. So I'm gonna flip it around, take the wheels off. Hopefully I have the wheel key, take the wheels off, and then put it up on, well, it'll be up on jack stands, and then I'll be able to get the hood up there, tack that in place, and then we should be able to have that go kind of up and down. So let's go ahead and get this truck flipped around. Let's move this wrench real quick so that way we can not run that guy over. Let's go ahead and set you right here and watch the truck kind of go in and out. Let's see. Man, I can't tell you how good it feels that that alternator worked and is charging the battery. 14.2 volts. That's good. All right. Yeah, I think that'll be better because I'll be able to move this welder. Back over here, get it plugged in. Get that plugged in. And then that should give me enough reach with the welding gun to get over here and get under over here. That should be perfect. So let's see. Yeah, guess I better find the the wheel keys. Let me see if that's in my bag or do I have it in the trailer? Let me find my wheel keys real quick and then we'll get the wheels off and then we'll be back at it. Okay, found my wheel key. It was in the trailer. I'm gonna get the jack stand so that we can get this guy jacked up and put in the air so we can work on it a little bit easier. I got my jack stands right over here. And then we'll grab the jack. See. Yep, she looks good. All right. So now we can pull the wheels off, I think. That'll help us get the hood up there, get it a little bit more situated. She feels solid. So let's pull them wheels off. Maybe we ought to give Ashley a call, see where she's at, see if she can't come and help get this hood set in place, because I don't think it's gonna be a one-man kind of job.
Your call has been forwarded.
No answer. What the heck? All right, well, she never called me back, guys, so she's out getting her stuff done. So let's just try to lift this hood up there. I think I might be able to do it. I'm gonna get you set right here. Let's see. That didn't quite work out for us, did it?
Hello.
Oh, hey.
Hey. What are you doing?
You're finally available, huh?
Well, I went to this place. The first place that I tried to get my nails done at was over there by where I got my lashes at.
Yeah.
And I was on my way home.
And then something happened.
Well, no, nothing happened. I passed off, I saw the wrecker exit, and I was like, oh, I'm just going to go by there because they didn't answer the phone for me to see if there was an appointment available, and they were able to do my nails, so.
Oh, okay. So, but I need help.
You need help?
Yeah, I'm recording you, so. Yeah, I need help, so it'd be kind of cool if you could just come home.
Okay, I'll come home right now. I'm like 10 minutes away.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, guys, I got both mounts in place. So I'm gonna mark them. I'm gonna mark the area that I need to grind. That way we can get a good weld. So we're gonna mark right here. It's gonna go all along right there. And then we need to mark the back side too. That way we can see. It's not as easy to do with all the sheet metal on. Okay, so I'm gonna mark that. And I'm gonna mark the other side. It's pushing up a little bit, but I think once I bolt it down, it'll push down. Let's see if I can get it in here. Same thing, we're gonna mark that. Right there. All right there. Okay. I think I got it. Whew. That was probably funny to watch me to get this stupid hood up there. That was freaking hard. How your nails look? Oh, wow.
Back in shape.
They look a lot better. Let's see. Yeah, that's nice. How about your lashes? Are you pleased?
I'm
Do you
pleased.
feel like yourself again?
I got my toes done too.
Oh man, look at that. Now it's not all.
Hey! That toe looks a little messed up.
Hey, she says. Wow, that one is. What happened?
I don't know.
I
think maybe she kicked my foot a little bit. I'll have to go in there. They're real nice. I'm sure they'll fix it. We'll just buff it. Hey, guess what I saw in there? I'm gonna have to show you.
You're gonna have to get closer to me.
Guess what I saw in there?
You smell really good.
This girl brought her bearded dragon in there to get her nails
What?
done.
Look at that.
He was standing up on the thing.
That's crazy. Wow. People bring bearded dragons to get their nails done.
That never happened in McAllister.
All right, let's take this hood off. You're gonna have to be careful now.
Why?
Because you got your nails done.
Well, where's my gloves? You have both of my gloves.
The gloves are in the truck.
Okay. I am gonna have to.
Huh?
I bet I can buff that out. If
Okay.
not, then I'll have them do it.
All right, let's get this knocked out. I've been
Okay.
waiting.
I'm sorry. I think my mom and my aunt's flight got canceled.
Oh,
It got delayed, and then I looked at it, and it showed canceled, and I've tried to call her twice, and she ain't called me back yet.
she's probably not happy.
Probably not.
All right.
All right, let's get gloves.
They're in the truck, I think. She's hollering, oh my gosh, come here. What? What?
There's a dead baby bird.
Oh, get the gloves.
I'm going to look at it. It's tiny.
Yep. That'll happen.
You think he fell from somewhere or something?
Probably overheated. Let's go. Yo.
Are you yelling at me to go?
I said yo. Actually, you know what sucks?
I don't know where my red ones are.
I don't know. Oh, here. Well, I don't have a body. Like,
What?
I don't have like a thing to put it on, so we're gonna have to put it on this trash can. Upside down. You alright?
Yeah. I can't get my hands under here. Okay.
Okay, set it upside down. Okay. Alright, scoot over a little bit. There we go. There, I think that's good. You can grind that.
Hey, remember when we were cleaning out my office
Yeah.
and we had those sawhorses?
Yeah. That's not the same as the... It's similar, but it's not the same as like body working sawhorses. I'm tired today.
Sorry.
Anyways, alright. I'm gonna take and grind this up real quick. Okay, so I got the hood flipped over. She helped me. And I set the base brackets on the hood here. And I kind of marked it out. So I'm gonna grind that on both sides. I got it marked out right there. I'm gonna grind the area so that way we can get it flipped back over. And then that'll allow us to tack weld those guys in place. I'll get a nice good tack on them. We'll flip it back over and then we should be able to have the hood, I think, go up and down. So let me get this ground off and then we'll start working on that to grind it. All right, and then we'll do the other side here. Well, so standard practice, huh? The airlines canceled their flight.
Yep.
Delayed 2 hours to a canceled flight. So what did they say? When are they going to try to?
She didn't sound happy. She said that they were going to the ticket counter. I had signed up for flight updates for their flight, so I knew before they did. I tried to call her like 30 minutes ago, and she just now called me to tell me that they canceled her flight. So I guess I knew way before them.
That's annoying. All right, well, let's get this thing flipped back over here in a minute, and then we can
Test fit it?
Yep, test fit it.
Let's do it.
You're good. You probably don't need your gloves on anymore. You can do the mic. You can do the camera though, okay. But you don't have your mic on. So just remember that. They probably can't hear you very well.
They're probably thankful for that.
It's a possibility. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so
let's get up in here.
This thing's kind of. Okay. I think that'll be good now. Where I have it set. Got a gap in the back. Let me get the other one on and just see what it looks like. Because honestly, it does need to come down. but can't tell if I can get to those or not just yet. On one more bolt, I don't know where the heck I put it.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, is it underneath there?
I see it. Let's see here. Let's put it right here.
It actually looks like both of them are kind of.
All right, guys. I'm gonna.
Careful, don't get torn up under there.
Oh. Retrieved.
Thank you.
Look at that. You said those brakes were in the way.
Yeah. Well, they weren't. I mean, they are in the way, kind of. This has got like a,
Get you guys up here, maybe.
It's got a. It's got a little bit of a gap in the back. I think I'm gonna tack the front on, and then we're gonna have to lift the hood. And I don't know, but it's got about a, almost looks like, feels like a 3/16 of an inch gap in the back.
Okay. Is there supposed to be a gap out here?
Well, I mean, oops, sorry. I think it could come down a bit back in the back. Like I said, let's get this tacked on in the front here, I think. Or kind of feels pretty good. Okay. I have to move this, I think. I mean, yeah, it is up. So it could be just there's some supports in the back that I think that maybe if I adjust, then it'll go down. So we'll get some good tacks on the front. I tested this out. So it does what it needs to do.
Well, honestly, this side looks unlevel compared to the other side.
It's higher, huh?
Yeah, all the way around.
Yeah, I know. And there's bumpers on here. There's bump stops. So that kind of is going to limit it. Okay, that's got.
Do you need a welding helmet?
Yeah, I will. I'll need it, but it's behind me or behind you. Every time I turn around, something's sticking to me. It's kind of irritating. Flip what around?
The camera.
What do you mean? I know. There we go. Let's see. This freaking thing, man. Honestly, I just can't tell because it's hitting right here. Yeah, that's honestly what's stopping it from going down. So I think that okay. Flick that welder on and turn the gas on, I think.
Okay. It's on.
Yeah. Yeah, please.
How far?
Just, crack it open. What the heck? Okay, let's see. What the frickin' heck? There's some cutters up there. Will you grab me the cutters? On the red box or somewhere. They're just right here.
The red toolbox?
I don't know. Please. They're just side cutters.
Sorry, they were underneath some gloves.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so what are we trying to do here? Ooh. That should be good and tacked. Okay. Let's go to the other side. Let's see, that should transfer through. Okay. Okay, cool. That's tacked. I'm gonna pull the bolts out, and then we're gonna flip the hood back over again, and then tack it on the back side and push it down.
Push it down right now?
No, we'll push the bracket down. Yeah. I think it's tough when you're kind of not motivated to do something in a day, you know?
Yeah. Are you not motivated?
Well, and then this magnet really just keeps sticking to everything but me.
What is this?
Okay. You're gonna have to put that down.
Yep, we're reheating.
Oh, are we getting hot?
A little bit, it says. So we'll.
Okay. Well, let's try to
Be quick.
flip this stupid thing over. Get your finger under it. There. Be cool if this would stop doing that. Which it's a magnet, so I guess it's gonna stick to everything, but okay. Yeah, see these, they're both like, which that one's even more, honestly, but I think it's just because it pulled. This thing's overheating, so it's I guess I'm just gonna have to push it down and weld it. Let's turn this off, it's overheated. Get my little chair. That way I can have a little sit down.
Yeah.
Well, hell. Did it turn on? Did the mic turn on? Okay. Well, hell. We're just gonna go to Oregano's tonight anyways.
Oh no, the mic didn't turn on.
Oh, it didn't? What? Oh, it's right here now. Now it's on. Well.
Lost your mic for a minute.
Lost my mic. Got my mic back. Got my mind back.
I'm gonna try to. Is it because I'm here? You got your mind back?
I don't know, man. But I moved these back a little bit because they were sitting. There's a little nut plate on the bottom of there, and it was under here. There's a nut insert, and it was hitting the thing. So I moved it back, relined it up to the hood hinge. Now I'm going to tack it in all four corners. And that should be good. Well, I think it's tacked on good enough. I think we can probably actually bolt it to the hinges, and it'll go. You got it? Looks a little crooked, no? No? There we go. Oh, there's a lizard. That scared the crap out of me.
You think it was a snake?
No, I just saw a lizard.
His friend was probably at the nail salon.
Yeah, I think it came in through the other door and then out the garage door here. That's what it looks like it did. Okay, so I got some bolts in my pocket. Okay, let's get under here. Okay. Get the ratchet real quick. Ugh. I keep losing one freaking bolt. Again? You see it again?
Yep.
Jeez, where is that?
Who spots it? Anybody else spot it?
Oh, it's underneath the jack stand. Alrighty. Let me see that guy, please. Thank you.
It's like a little game of I Spy.
I know. When you drop stuff, it kind of sucks, huh?
That's what you got a good assistant for.
Yeah. Watch, that lizard's gonna run across my fingers and scare the poop out of me.
Run across my toes.
Kind of this is what I've been waiting to see. Is this hood go up and down?
That's what we've been working on.
Well, back and forth between that and the alternator, I guess, right?
The lizard shut the door.
What?
The lizard shut the door.
Yeah. Cut off our airflow.
Did you lose one again?
No, I just tossed the ratchet down. Okay. Will you push the hood back? Will you push it back? I'll hold that real quick.
Like that. Oh.
Just push it back. It should. There you go. Yeah, like that. Okay. Beautiful assistant. There you go. Okay. I think I'm gonna get my little zipper.
What zipper?
The electric one, huh? The little electric guy. See if it'll work. Okay. All right, other side. Yeah, that gives it a decent gap right there, I guess, where it ought to be. Okay. Okay. Let's see if it goes up, huh?
Drum roll, please.
Hey, look at that. We have a hood.
Woo!
That's pretty dope. Okay, well, I guess we got them good, so we can, we'll leave it like that and get it mocked up the rest of the way, and then. All right. So, we got the hood mounted. It goes up and down. You like my little noise? Whatever. Goes up and down. So, oh man.
That was our goal for the. That was our goal for.
That was kind of my goal for today.
Today. Okay.
Yeah, I think. What time is it?
It is 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. So it's 4 o'clock. So I think we're gonna get ready to go get something to eat. We'll probably wrap this video up here in just a little bit. I'm gonna clean up some stuff and then we'll wrap this video up. We got our handy dandy little snap-on microphone holder for the day to wrap up this video. So, is that funny?
A little bit.
Man, it feels good to get that hood installed. I was motivated this morning, but then I kind of became unmotivated. I think
because I was gone.
It is but like not really, but like I had. So when I had to put that hood on by myself, it kind of wiped me out. And I just
called for help, and I was at the nail salon.
Yeah, and so then I
bearded dragon.
I kind of felt a little bit like I got it up there, but then I just felt defeated afterwards, and I'm like, But I pushed through, and then a couple little things, like just stupid hiccups, like that just frustrate you, Like everybody gets frustrated. This stupid magnet kept sticking to everything because it was on my shirt.
That's okay.
So
now we have this.
So we can just.
Testing.
Yeah, but no, it does feel good. Like I, pushed through. It's a little bit warm now. It was nice this morning, and it kind of. But no, there's times you just feel defeated, and you're just like, man, I'll just go inside and just kind of put it off for another day. But look, now the hood's installed. It goes up and down. It seems like it's like a small feat, but there's a lot of work that goes into just doing that. I think this is like 3 videos long. Of us
prep work
to get everything set up and done. So, and it's still not like completely done. We gotta like weld it out the rest of the way, and then I gotta make sure that I get the bracket on the bottom. I gotta get a new pin and stuff like that. But I mean, having a hood on it makes a huge difference the way that the truck looks and everything like that. Because I think that it'll just make it look like a more complete truck. And so,
yep.
I'm usually pretty good about pushing through, but today was a little bit.
It was hot. It was difficult.
Yeah.
We're kind of in here trying to get it done by yourself. I didn't realize you were doing all that, or else I probably wouldn't have taken so long. But I have been a little bit anxious. The people did a pretty good job on my nails, so I've been missing Ruby. I know that probably sounds so trivial, but
it's like first world problems, right? We're just working on trucks and working on stuff, and you're trying to get your nails done, but
I've had the same lash and nail place for like 3 years, 4 years. I mean,
nails even longer than my lashes.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit anxious.
I get that too because I went to get my hair cut and like I didn't know what to do.
See?
Like I was kind of just like, oh man, I really don't want to get my hair cut because like you don't want somebody to like, yeah, you don't want somebody to screw up your hair or whatever. And like, it's cool, like it's shorter. There's different parts of it that like make it easier to deal with and not easier to deal with because it is short. So it's kind of just like, but I don't know. No, but so we got it done. We got the hood installed. I'm super pumped on that. So now we're gonna go get some dinner. I'm sweating my butt off out here. You're probably sweating.
I was gonna wear this the rest of the day. I got, you know, your partner calls for help and you just pedal to the metal. I came home, babe.
Yeah, so we're gonna wrap up. We're finished up. We got the hood installed. I'm pumped. So
we're gonna keep putting content out for you guys.
Oh yeah, I guess we gotta do that.
That you liked the first video. This will be, I don't know.
I don't even know what video we're on now because we have one video uploaded. That was kind of the walkthrough. We have 2 videos waiting to be released. And then I think I have 2 more videos to edit and then this video to edit. So, you know, it had been a while since we posted any videos. So we are super grateful that you guys are watching. You know, that means a lot to us. It means the world that you guys watch our content and watch our videos. And so we're going to keep putting that stuff on there. Comment in the section below so that way we can reply back to you. You know, we've been trying to reply to everybody. We see some of you guys out there commenting and we get a laugh at that. We comment on other people's videos that they're posting because we laugh at some of the stuff that they say. Shout out to you, Puddin'. We commented on yours because she's from Oklahoma and he talks about Pot County. And
he's like, oh yeah, Pot County. And I was like, yeah. And he was like, Pot County, what kind of name is that? And I was like, well, it's Potawatomi. And he was like, it's what?
Yeah, so we commented on that. That was pretty funny. And so like, comment, subscribe, do all the things, ring the bell, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, all the stuff. And
we're gonna
we'll
keep
catch you
putting
later.
more stuff out.
Peace.